Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital Wave. In today's tutorial, we will show you some Office shortcut tricks. In this Office shortcut trick tutorial, our today's topic is how to remove custom animation from all slides with a single click. So friends, whenever we are creating any PowerPoint presentation, so many times we have to apply some animation on those particular slides, but sometimes we want to use that particular slide or whole PPT without animation. So we want to remove that particular animation from the slide. So there is two methods by which we can remove these animations from the slide. So I will show you both the methods. Okay, so here I have one example slide, like this is the slide, and here I have applied this animation on this particular slide. So now I want to remove this particular animation from this slide. So I can simple go to the slideshow and I will go to the animation. Okay, animation tab, and here you will find the animation pane, and then when you click on this animation pane, you will find all the picture numbers and animation applied on it. So you can simply go, and here you can find the remove action. Okay, so if you will click on this remove action, then you will find your slide without animation. So you have to select every pane and you have to select and click on the remove option. Okay, or you can do this like you can select all the options and you can press the delete option also. So by this particular method you can remove this animation from this single slide. But if we have more slides, so what will be the procedure for that? Like there is a single slide and we have applied this method in which we have go to the animation tab, and in this animation tab we have go to the animation pane. But what will happen when we have multiple slide and we want to remove all animation from the all slide from a single click? So we have one another option by which we can do this work very easily. Okay, so here in the slideshow tab we have to go in this option. Here this is the setup slideshow, and in this window you will found one option in which you will show the option show without animation. So if you will click on this particular show without animation and you have to click OK, then you will find your slide without animation. Now if you want to do slideshow, then you will not find any animation on the particular slide. I have clicked many times. Okay, so no animation is there. Okay, and when you want animation on the particular slide, then you will go again on this setup slideshow, and here you have to uncheck this checkbox and you can click OK, and you will find your slide with animation effects. And we will see that this is the animation we have created in this particular slide. And you will find like in this next slide again animation has come. Okay, so I have copied this one slide multiple times. That is why every slide will contain the animation that we have applied. Okay, so this is how you can remove that animation from whole slide with a single click. So if you have any doubt in this video tutorial, then you can ask your questions in the comment section, and you have gained some knowledge from this tutorial, then you can like and share this video. And for my upcoming video lectures, you can subscribe my channel. We are also available on the Facebook, and I have put the link of Facebook page in the description box. So if you want to follow, then please follow us on the Facebook page so you can get the proper notifications about our updation. Thank you.